Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This is a tutorial with a collaboration CA Assistant Group. This is about the inherent strain method in metal additive manufacturing simulation using the subroutines and Python scripting in Abaqus. At the beginning, I want to introduce an overview of myself. My name is Hossein Mohammadtaheri. I'm a PhD candidate in mechanical engineering at Concordia University in Montreal, Canada. My research fields are on metal additive manufacturing, laser powder bed fusion process, finite element analysis, data analysis, and deep learning. I was graduated uh, my Master of Science from Tabiat Modares University in 2013 and started my PhD program in 2021. I'm very happy that I can present this tutorial for the metal additive manufacturing process. In this tutorial, what you are going to learn is divided into two lessons. In the first lesson, the concept of inherent strain method and the microscale modeling strategy is presented. This section is categorized to some subsections like the introduction to metal additive manufacturing, the different numerical modeling of the laser powder bed fusion process, the inherent strain method theory, the microscale modeling, including the thermal and mechanical simulation, and a workshop is carried out for the multipass simulation to extract the inherent strain values. This workshop outline includes the problem description, the modeling explanation, the definition of the material properties, and writing different subroutines like the deflux and USDFLD step by step in the thermal simulation, and writing Python scripting step by step for the element activation in the mechanical analysis. And finally, the results and discussion are presented. In the second lesson, we are going to uh, go over the macroscale modeling strategy. This model is based on the quasi-static simulation. The agglomeration approach is introduced, and a workshop is carried out for the simulation of a double cantilever beam to predict the residual stresses and distortion. In the second workshop, the problem description is presented and the material properties definition are reviewed. The method of applying inherent strain values into the macroscale model is presented, and the Python scripting step by step for the element activation are explained, and finally the results and discussion are reviewed. So I want to add one point for this tutorial. The references that are used are based on two papers that you can find it. I put the information for these two papers. The details for the whole process and the concept of methodology has been explained completely. Uh, I would invite you to review these two papers for more information to this tutorial. And the keywords that I want to present are the metal additive manufacturing, laser powder bed fusion, inherent strain method, and finite element method for this tutorial.